Financially free by 30. How to fast-track your wealth journey. Imagine waking up at 30 with complete control over your time. No paycheck anxiety. No Sunday dread. Money works for you, not the other way around. Financial freedom by 30 isn't a fantasy, it's a strategy. And while it's not easy, it is achievable with focus, discipline, and smart moves made early. Let's break down how to fast-track your wealth journey without hype, gimmicks, or get-rich-quick nonsense. Step 1. Redefine what financial freedom actually means. Financial freedom doesn't mean yachts and private jets. It means your investments cover your living expenses. You don't depend on a job to survive. You choose work, not need it. This clarity matters. Without a clear destination, every financial decision becomes emotional instead of strategic. Action. Calculate your freedom number. Annual expenses 25 based on the 4% rule. That's your target. Now the game is clear. Step 2. Master cash flow before chasing wealth. You don't build wealth by earning more, you build it by keeping more. High earners stay broke because they inflate their lifestyle. Wealth builders do the opposite. Non-negotiable S. Track every dollar. Kill high-interest debt aggressively. Automate savings and investments. Aim for a 50–70% savings rate if financial freedom by 30 is the goal. Extreme. Yes. Effective. Absolutely. Step 3. Increase income like your life depends on it, because it does. Saving alone won't get you there fast enough. You need leverage. High-impact income boosters. High-value skills: tech, sales, marketing, data, AI, design, side businesses with scale content, e-commerce, freelancing, SaaS. Negotiating your salary early and often. Your 20s are for earning aggressively, not coasting. Money earned early is worth exponentially more than money earned later. Step 4. Invest early. Invest hard. Invest consistently. Time is your unfair advantage. Use it. Smart wealth vehicles. Index funds, ETFs, long-term. Low stress. Real estate cash flow plus appreciation. Business ownership, highest upside. Retirement accounts, tax-advantaged gold. Avoid hot tips. Boring investments plus consistency, unstoppable results. Step 5. Build multiple streams, but don't scatter. Financial freedom loves redundancy. Start with one primary income stream. Then add dividend income, rental income, digital products, equity or profit sharing. The key: depth before diversification. One strong stream beats 5 weak ones. Step 6. Guard your mindset like an asset. Your beliefs determine your ceiling. Common wealth killers: comparing yourself to others, fear of investing, lifestyle pressure, short-term thinking. Adopt the mindset of delayed gratification. Every no today buys you 10 yeses later. Step 7. Design a life you don't need to escape from. Money is a tool, not the goal. True financial freedom means flexible work, meaningful projects, health, time, and relationships intact. If you sacrifice everything for wealth, you'll end up rich and empty. Build both. Financial freedom by 30 isn't about luck, it's about intentional urgency. Start early. Live below your means. Earn aggressively. Invest relentlessly. Stay focused while others drift. Most people won't do this. That's exactly why it works. Your future self is watching. Make the move.